Hello friends, welcome to my channel and thanks for watching this video. Friends, in this video we are going to discuss about PLUG stock. Now Plug Power INC, as far as my view is concerned, I am very sure about this stock, although it's been in a correction for last couple of months and already been corrected like 82% from the top. But the way I look into any stock is the overall trend. It's not about how the stock or how much the stock is moving up as well as down. But if it does not make, or if it does not create any damage in the overall trend, it will be fine for me. Okay, as far as the overall construct of the trend is okay, it's not damaged, it's fine for me. And more than that, those I've been telling this thing again and again because I have made couple of videos on Plug Power INC or PLUG stock. If you are holding this stock from the lows of 2013, it has given you a superb return or humongous return of 66,000%. Even with the correction you have here, you are still making 13,000% return out of it. So no complaints at all. Okay, if any stock moved with such ferocity, obviously you are or you must welcome the corrections as well. Now as far as the trend is concerned, let's analyze the risk as well as the opportunity in PLUG stock. But before that, if you haven't yet subscribed my channel yet, just hit on the subscription button, also hit on the notification bell along with the all button to get my updated video notification. So what do we have here? So if you are looking PLUG stock chart, you can see your previous resistance of 2014 will now act as your support, and the levels which you must look at is going to be 13 and 11.76, where 13 is going to be your immediate support, whereas 11.76 I would say consider this as your stop loss, because the correction is not yet over. Correction does not always means price has to come down. It also means it will correct as far as, or it will correct by time as well. So the price will not go anywhere, it will move within a range, but it will not go up, and it will continues to move in between specific levels, right? So this we can call as a price or time correction. So hopefully most of the price correction has already happened. If there is something else, or if there is something which we don't know, that's a different thing, but most of the price correction has happened because the stock has already fallen like 82%. And as far as the overall swing is concerned, it looks like the big swing has not yet completed. It has to test, or if it tests 150, 140, 150, that does not happen. It went up to 70, 76 and then started falling. Okay, so the overall trend is not completed, which means there may be some correction or consolidation going forward, but once the stock started moving up, we don't know from which level, but we know that one of these levels which I am going to tell you will act as a big support, from where you can see the stock started moving higher once the correction is over. So as I told you, we are still in correction, there is some more to go on the downside, but the overall construct is positive. And if you are nervous, then as I told you, don't go below 11.76, that would be fine for you. Now in case of any bad scenario, the stock may fall down to 6.77, then you have a 5.25, and your final stop loss or big support which is going to be 4.43 in case of very bad scenario. It does not mean it will definitely come down and test $4. There is a probability or possibility, but the possibility or probability is less. What we can see here is, or what we can look at as far as the current price structure is concerned, basically the zone which I personally look at is this one, where it's going to correct and consolidate or whether it will holding above 11.6, 11.76 or 11.8 or not. If it does going forward, I don't bother about the time or how much time it is taking. But if it continues to sustain above 11.76 and more specifically above $13, then the big swing in the upcoming years, not in a short term but in the upcoming years, will be in between 300 and 530 or $550 on the upside. So this is the big trend that we are looking at as far as the long-term chart or target or long-term target of plug stock, PLUG stock is concerned going forward. So this is the end of the video. Thanks for watching.